Inshore bait casting reels sit at the intersection of versatility, durability, and precision. Filleting through saltwater and brackish environments while delivering accurate casts with big swim baits or finesse baits requires a reel that can withstand corrosion, manage lines smoothly, and offer reliable braking and drag performance.
List number 1. Lew's Custom Inshore Speed Spool Baitcast Reel. The Lew's Custom Inshore Speed Spool is a polished, right-hand, high-precision bait casting reel built for inshore versatility. It features a 10-bearing stainless steel system with a zero-reverse one-way clutch, a patented speed dial line indicator for quick line type identification, a retractable speed keeper hook keeper to secure lures, and a combat grip thumb bar for solid control. Its 7.5 to 1 gear ratio offers a fast retrieve profile, and it weighs about 6.56 ounces, delivering a lightweight feel for longer sessions. With a maximum drag rated at 20 pounds, this reel balances performance and manageability for a broad range of inshore species and techniques. Performance and use cases. In practice, the 10 stainless steel bearings contribute to notably smooth cranking and excellent overall durability, especially under salt exposure when rinsing after use. The speed dial and hook keeper are practical, user-centric refinements that reduce setup time and protect gear during transit, while the combat grip thumb bar preserves a secure grip during casting and fighting fish. The 20-pound drag is adequate for most inshore targets such as redfish, snook, and smaller tarpon, and the 7.5 to 1 retrieve speed supports both fast burn presentations and longer retrieves for bulkier swim baits. The reel's weight and compact form also translate to a balanced feel on mid-size rods commonly used in inshore angling.
List number 2. 13 Fishing Modus TX2 Bait Casting Reels. The Modus TX2 from 13 Fishing is positioned as a saltwater and freshwater capable, budget-friendly bait casting reel. It sports saltwater-resistant bearings, a Japanese Hamai-cut aluminum drive gear, a built-in hook holder, and a multi-material drag system that tops out at 18 pounds. The reel uses a corrosion-resistant frame and a ventilated aluminum spool with cooling ports. It ships with 7 ball bearings, a 6-way braking system, an arrowhead line guide, and a 12-130 line capacity, all in a compact 7.25-ounce frame with a 7.3 to 1 gear ratio and right-hand retrieve. Performance and use cases. The TX2's value proposition is strong for anglers who want a capable inshore setup without breaking the bank. The saltwater-resistant components and corrosion-resistant frame give it solid longevity in brackish environments, while the 6-way braking system offers nuanced control for dialing in backlashes on a variety of baits. The 18-pound drag is sufficient for many inshore tasks, soft plastics, spinnerbaits, and mid-size swim baits. Yet it may fall short when targeting larger predators in rough conditions. The overall build feels sturdy for its price point, making it a practical choice for beginners advancing into bait casting or for seasoned anglers who fish multiple species. Pros: saltwater-resistant bearings, Hamai-cut aluminum drive gear.
List number 3. 13 Fishing Concept A2 Baitcast Trails. The Concept A2 is a left-hand aluminum-framed bait casting reel with robust corrosion resistance and high-precision components. It features an HD aluminum frame with Ocean Armor 2 treatment and anti-electrolysis screw pads, a Hamai-cut hardened brass drive gear, and a 25-pound Bulldog drag system. The reel uses 7 ball bearings, 2 high-spin corrosion-resistant, 4 stainless, and 1 anti-reverse, an arrowhead line guide, and weighs 7.4 ounces with a 6.8 to 1 gear ratio. Packaging and specs indicate it's designed to stand up to salt and electrochemical attack while maintaining reliable enough drag for inshore targets. Performance and use cases. The 25-pound drag on the Concept A2 is a standout spec for the price tier, enabling confident handling of beefier lures and bigger fish in brackish environments. The Ocean Armor 2 coating, along with the HAM brass drive gear, contributes to improved longevity and sustained performance in saltwater. The left-hand retrieve makes it a natural fit for anglers who prefer that setup or have historically used left-handed reels.
List number 4. Abu Garcia Revo Inshore Low Profile Baitcast Reel. The Abu Garcia Revo Inshore Low Profile is a premium all-water capable reel built around an X2 Craftic alloy frame with a compact asymmetric body and gull-wing side plate design. It uses 6 stainless steel bearings, 5 HPCR bearings plus 1 roller bearing, an instant anti-reverse, a power stack carbon matrix drag system rated up to 25 pounds, and external IVCB6 braking for precise, customizable adjustments. Weighing 8.5 ounces and designed for right-hand retrieve, this reel emphasizes strength, smoothness, and long-term durability in inshore and mixed waters while maintaining a compact profile for finesse applications. Performance and use cases. The Revo Inshore's external braking and powerful drag system delivers strong stopping power and fine-tunable cast control, which is particularly beneficial when fishing heavy swim baits or in environments with variable wind and current. The X2 Craftic alloy frame and gull-wing side plate contribute to rigidity and balance, improving reel stability under load. While the bearing...
List number 5. Piscifun Aliexpress Baitcaster Fishing Reel. The Piscifun Aliexpress 300 is a versatile, large-capacity bait casting reel designed for big fish and big swim baits. It features an aluminum frame, a strong 33-pound drag, and a robust bearing stack, 8 double-shielded stainless steel bearings, plus 1 instant anti-reverse. The reel offers both left and right-hand retrieve options and comes in 6.6:1 or 5.9:1 gear configurations, plus a mag braking system described as an 8-piece magnetic braking setup. The 300 size designation and a weight of about 11.3 ounces give it a substantial feel that's well-suited for musky-influenced inshore fishing, as well as saltwater targets where heavy line and lures are used. Performance and use cases. The Aliexpress 300 stands out for hard-hitting drag and a dependable, budget-friendly platform. The magnetic braking system helps prevent overruns on large swim baits, while the aluminum frame and 8 bearings contribute to consistent performance across rough conditions. The 33-pound drag is exceptional at this price point, enabling anglers to push bigger baits and fish with confidence. For musky-adjacent inshore pursuits, the Aliexpress's build and gearing make it a practical option that balances power and value.